B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Days of the week, दिनों के नाम. There are 7 days in a week. एक सप्ताह या हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं. Monday, M O N D A Y, Monday. मंडे को हिंदी में कहते हैं सोमवार. सोमवार. Tuesday, T U E S D A Y, Tuesday. ट्यूसडे को हिंदी में कहते हैं मंगलवार. मंगलवार. Wednesday, W E D N E S D A Y, Wednesday. Wednesday को हिंदी में कहते हैं बुधवार. बुधवार. Thursday, T H U R S D A Y, Thursday. Thursday को हिंदी में कहते हैं गुरुवार या वीरवार. Friday, F R I D A Y, Friday. फ्राइडे को हिंदी में कहते हैं शुक्रवार. शुक्रवार. सैटरडे, S A T U R D A Y, सैटरडे. सैटरडे को हिंदी में कहते हैं शनिवार. शनिवार. संडे, S U N D A Y, संडे. संडे को हिंदी में कहते हैं रविवार. रविवार. मंडे, सोमवार. ट्यूसडे, मंगलवार. वेडनेसडे, बुधवार. थर्सडे, गुरुवार. फ्राइडे, शुक्रवार. सैटरडे, शनिवार. संडे, रविवार.
दिन. दिन को इंग्लिश में डे बोलते हैं. डे. सोमवार, मंडे. मंडे. मंगल. ट्यूसडे. ट्यूसडे. बुध. वेडनेसडे. वेडनेसडे. जुमेरात. थर्सडे. थर्सडे. जुमा. फ्राइडे. फ्राइडे. हफ्ता. सैटरडे. सैटरडे. इतवार. संडे. संडे.
School supplies. What's in your backpack? It's my book. I can read. Book, book. It's my notebook. I can write on it. Notebook, notebook. These are my scissors. I can cut the paper. Scissors, scissors. It's my glue. I can stick them with it. Glue, glue. It's my tape. I can put them with it. Tape, tape. Is this your pencil case? Yes, it is. Pencil case, pencil case. What's in your pencil case? These are my pencils and pens. I like to write. Pencil, pencil, pen, pen. It's my eraser. I can erase and write again. Eraser, eraser. It's my highlighter. I can mark with it. Highlighter, highlighter. It is my ruler. I like to measure. Ruler, ruler. These are my color pencils. I can draw a rainbow. Color pencil, color pencil. There are things for school in my backpack. Review. Book, notebook. Scissors, glue. Tape, pencil case, pencil, pen, eraser, highlighter, ruler.
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gorilla, H for hat, I for igloo, J for juice, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for octopus, P for pig, Q for quail, R for ring, S for sun, T for train, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yellow, Z for zebra.
The colors. This balloon is yellow. This balloon is blue. This balloon is red. This balloon is green. This balloon is orange. This balloon is purple. This balloon is pink. This balloon is brown. This balloon is White. This balloon is black.
Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn about big and small things. Are you ready to explore the world of sizes? Let's get started! Look at these two balls. This one is big, and this one is small. Can you say big ball and small ball with me? Big ball, small ball. Great job! Here we have a big tree and a small flower. The tree is tall, and the flower is short. Big tree and small flower. Now look, there is a car, and there is also a toy car. The car is big, and the toy car is small. Can you say big car and small car? Big car, small car, awesome! Here's a big elephant and a small mouse. The elephant is huge, and the mouse is tiny. Let's say big elephant and small mouse together. Big elephant, small mouse. Look at these. This one is a big book, and this one is a small notebook. Big book, small notebook. Great job! Can you find something big and something small around you? Here we have a big box and a small box. The big box can hold a lot of things, and the small box can hold a few things. Let's say big box and small box together. Look at this big dog and this small puppy. The dog is grown up and
1 little, 2 little, 3 little numbers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little numbers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little numbers, 10 little numbers. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little numbers, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little numbers, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little numbers, 1 little number. 1, 2, 3. 3 little numbers. 4, 5, 6. 6 little numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little numbers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little numbers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little numbers, 10 little numbers. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little numbers, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little numbers, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little numbers, 1 little number. 1 little number.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have 4 sides. I'm a square, I'm a square. I'm a circle, I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only 1 side. I'm a circle, round and round. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have 3 sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a rectangle, rectangle, like a really long square. I have 4 sides. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. I'm a star in the sky, so, so far. I have 5 pointy arms. I'm a star, I'm a star. I'm a heart. I'm a heart. I'm so curvy and so smart. I'm a really lovely shape. I'm a heart. I'm a heart. I'm a diamond. I'm a diamond. You can see me on a ring. I'm so shiny and so bright. I'm a diamond. I'm a diamond. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere.
A is for apple, apple, apple. A, apple. B is for baby, baby, baby. B, baby. C is for candy, candy, candy. C, candy. D is for diamond, diamond, diamond. D, diamond. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. E, elephant. F is for fairy, fairy, fairy. F, fairy. G is for glasses, glasses, glasses. G, glasses. H is for hand, hand, hand. H, hand. I is for igloo, igloo, igloo. I, igloo. J is for jelly, jelly, jelly. J, jelly. K is for keyboard, keyboard, keyboard. K, keyboard. L is for ladybug, ladybug, ladybug. L, ladybug. M is for monkey, monkey, monkey. M, monkey. N is for needle, needle, needle. N, needle. O is for orange, orange, orange. O, orange. P is for pony, pony, pony. P, pony. Q is for queen, queen, queen. Q, queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. R, rainbow. S is for spider, spider, spider. S, spider. T is for tiger, tiger, tiger. T, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. U, umbrella. V is for violin, violin, violin. V, violin. W is for whale, whale, whale. W, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. X, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo, yo-yo. Y, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra, zebra. Z, zebra.